So our goal was to get all the tent off today on this one side. And so we're getting pretty close. And he's got all the nails loose at the bottom, but we have this piece of wood that extends all the way through here, and there's another one on the other side, and we just cannot get it off with the crowbar. So I'm gonna try something. Oh, he got one off.
Sorry. I got really excited.
And that's like 8 more long.
Now it's gonna be easier to work.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you gonna be able to get it off of there? Or do you want me to try to get the tractor and we pull it off, or what do you think?
I don't.
Okay, well. Watching these clowns, bub. It's like a comedy show watching these two. What the heck? Just hand it to him. Just hand it to him. Weston, just hand it to him. From that side. Weston, hand it to him. Just hook it around there, give it to him. Are you clear? I do have some pretty good news though. I'm off tomorrow, so we can wake up and do this all over again.
Yeah. Well, the other side is already torn down, so.
Yeah, it's already half done for you guys. Pink and gray. Yeah. Probably ain't got any fur yet. So, oh, is she in the end one here?
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh.
It's actually packing.
Probably. She does have some pellets here. All right, let's take a look, but then we'll let him go. Oh my gosh, yes she did.
There's like 4 in there.
All right, we gotta take a picture to send to Amanda.
Wait, there's some more in here.
There's a bunch of them. Don't mess with them too much, okay? We don't want to stress her out. Okay, We'll close it so she can have some privacy, okay?
Okay.
That is cool. They look nice, big, and fat and healthy. Good job, Mama. Probably good. Only step on the places where there's nails, okay? Nah, don't do that.
I mean, even if I did, I could still jump down.
Probably not great on your knees.
I